guys, today's video is a requested video from you guys, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my favorite beauty products that I like to use on my face.
All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the beauty products that I love to use on my face. And this has been a requested video because I did a video a while back about Meaningful Beauty, how I ordered it, that skincare line from Cindy Crawford, and how I always wanted to try it, but when I got it, it wasn't really what it was all cracked up to be, and that I kind of just used L'Oreal products, and that's what I liked as opposed to that. So a lot of you guys wanted me to share with you guys what beauty products that I use, and I have still been using some L'Oreal ones, but I also have been using a lot of my TEAMI products as well. As you guys know, I am an affiliate with TEAMI, and they are going to be sponsoring a portion of this video because they did send me some new goodies that I tried and loved. But all these opinions are my honest opinions. Everything that I try from TEAMI is things that I like and that I'm sharing with you guys. I wouldn't share nothing with you guys if I didn't like it. Like I told you guys before, I do have companies reaching out to me all the time, and I've tried products and not made a video for you guys because the products were not that great. So when I do share something with you, it's because it's something I can back up. And a lot of times with TEAMI, I can always back up their products because the things that I've tried from them, I love it, and I feel like they're affordable for what you get for the all natural stuff. So there's some TEAMI stuff, some stuff from the drugstore, so it's a mixture of all different things. And you're gonna see me looking down at my phone because I am gonna want to tell you like all the information about that stuff because I don't have it on the top of my head. So let's start off with like the wipes and stuff like that, because basically when you start off with skincare, you want to take off the makeup or the dirt that you had or the oil that you had throughout the day. So a lot of times you guys seen on my Dollar Tree haul, I shared with you guys and I raved about the Dollar Tree wipes. Is it the Bolero? I think it's the Bolero. I can't remember. Oh, the Bolero and the Yes 2. I think I tried that before. I can't remember exactly what brand because, you know, sometimes Dollar Tree has a certain brand that comes in there. Sometimes they'll have things like from Target or Walmart that's cheaper. So I can't remember exactly what the brand is, but if you see my Dollar Tree haul, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I love using those wipes all the time. I find that they're very soft, they're affordable, they don't mess with my face. I have sensitive skin, so does my youngest daughter, and it doesn't irritate our skin at all. And I think those are the best to have for travel. And so I love those. But recently for at home, I've been actually using reusable cloths. For one, it's, you know, that saves money, and two, I had two options that were sent to me. One was in my FabFitFun box, my spring box, and one was from Grove Collaborative. And so I love them both. They are like, they're very, very soft. The one I have with me right here is called, the one that I got from my FabFitFun box, and it's called the Makeup Eraser, the original one. And so this is what you'll see when you get that. And it comes in a cloth like this. Now it's wet because I just used it before I washed my face right now. And the other one from Grove Collaborative, you guys know I get tongue-tied with my words. It's kind of like a gray one, and I like that one as well. It's also soft. What I like about both of them, like I said, they're very, very soft, they're reusable, and I find that even though the ones from Dollar Tree that I love are soft as well, you can't get better than these washcloths. And I've bought washcloths before that are supposedly really, really soft, like from Walmart and Target, and then after a while they just don't, they lose their softness, and they weren't that soft to begin with, as opposed to when I started using this. This is so soft, and it gets off every makeup, even that hard to get mascara makeup that, because I love my mascara, I love my black eyeliner to tight line, so it gets all that off, and I just love it. I just feel like these are so soft. So if you do order from Grove Collaborative, which I also have an affiliate link with them as well, and I'll put in the description box below if you want to ever order from them. If you want one from Grove Collaborative, if you order from them, I would suggest that one. That one's nice. And if you see these in the stores and you want to try this one, I suggest this one as well. They're just so soft, and I love them so far. I haven't had them for a long time, so I can't tell you exactly the durability of how long they'll be. But for right now, I'm loving them. And as opposed to like if you don't like using makeup wipes in general and you want to have something better for the environment and reuse it, that's really soft on your skin for sensitive skin, I definitely suggest that. So after you have taken all the makeup off your face, now we got to talk about, you know, the facial cleansers. And there's two that I use. One that I swear by that I love so much, and it's the St. Ives Fresh Skin Scrub and Apricot. I love this one, you guys. This one is so affordable and I just love it. As hold on, let me see if I can get that to focus. I love it for my skin. Every time I use this for my skin, I hope it's focusing for you guys. I can't really tell with this little screen. I'm trying this G7X Mark II camera, and side note, I bought this camera and then returned it and then bought it again because this is like the most hyped up camera. But for me, I felt like it blurs too much and it goes in and out of focus too much. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this second time around. I'm trying to. I'm going between this one and the M50, but that's side note. Anyways, that's side note. But everybody loves this camera, and so I feel like it's just me that doesn't. So anyways, back to what you guys came for this. I love this one. Like I said, this is like my go-to one. I love it every time I wash my face with this. My face looks so smooth and so exfoliated and so refreshed and new. I love this scrub. This is my go-to, and it doesn't cost much, and you can get this at Walmart, CVS, Target. But I don't want to use the scrub all the time, especially because I have sensitive skin. Although I have used this I usually use this every night because that's when I take out my makeup. I use this every night, and even using this every night, it doesn't irritate my skin. But I know that over time it can, and some of you guys are a little bit more sensitive. So what I would suggest is to alternate days with that. And then the one that I do like is the L'Oreal Revitalift Cleanser. Anything I get from L'Oreal is always the Revitalift because, you know, I'm in my late 30s. About to hit 40s. I just turned 38, so I want anything that's gonna lift the skin and make me look younger. So I always get the L'Oreal Revitalift cleansers, and that's what this one looks like right here. And so that's the cleanser that I use. Now normally when I wash my face, I just use my hands, but TEAMI has sent me this thing to try, which I've already shared it with you guys on my Instagram, and I think it's amazing. So TEAMI has these new TEAMI tea infused cognac sponges. And that's what they look like right here. The box looks like right here. And they come in 3 different kind of scents or teas. So you have the chamomile one, which looks like this one. And the sponge is not in it because I used it already this morning. And then it comes with the green tea one as well. You see the green tea one. And the green tea one I haven't used, so that's why you still see the actual sponge inside it. And then it comes with the lavender one as well. And I've used the lavender one, that's why you don't see the lavender in it. Let me see, there you go, the lavender in it. So they come in 3 different scents. I love using the lavender one at night because it, you know, lavender relaxes you. So that's the one I like to use at night. The chamomile one I wanted to use today because I'm kind of like a little bit stressed out. My anxiety's kind of acting up, and it has a calming effect in the chamomile. And the green tea, I think it's more for like exfoliating your pores. It helps especially with acne, the green tea one. So I love all 3 of them. If you can choose one, it all depends on what you're looking for, but the green tea is good for acne, the chamomile is good for calming, and then like I said, the lavender one puts you to sleep. So when they come out the little bag, I'm gonna show you how they look in the bags. Actually, I did use the green tea, never mind. I did use the green tea, I couldn't remember it. So when you get them out, they look like this. It's like a little itty, and it comes with the string so you can hang it on your shower. So it comes like this, and then you put it, you soak it in warm water, and then it expands. And then what you can do is you can use this alone, or you can use it with your cleanser. That's what I like to use. So you add a little bit of your cleanser on top of this before you are cleansing your face, and kind of mix it together, and then just use it to cleanse your face. And I love using this step when I'm cleansing my face because I feel like I'm adding a little extra step, but it's also very gentle, and I just like the look of my face after I do it. Like the hands are fine when you're cleansing, but something about adding this sponge to your with your cleanser, it just does something to your face. It makes you feel like you just went to the spa or something. I just love it. It's very soft. Again, like the cloths I was talking about, these are very, very, very soft, and you can reuse these over and over and over again. So it goes back to its size once you're done using them. But like I said, I love using them. I've used all of them. I really like them. I highly recommend them. If it's something that you want to add to your skin routine, I highly recommend them. And like I said, again, anything that I have with TEAMI, I have a 25% off coupon code going on right now. So anything you order from TEAMI using my coupon code, you'll get 25% off your whole order. So I feel like their all natural stuff is already kind of affordable already, because if you've ever been to see all natural stuff, the weird thing about our country is like everything that's good for you is so expensive. And so especially when things are all natural, it seems like it's more. But I feel like TEAMI does a good job of keeping things fairly budgetable. There is some things I'm gonna show you that is a little more expensive, but compared to its competitors, it's kind of staying with the same price range or a little bit smaller. So and then with my coupon code, you can always get a discount. But that's the things that I like to use to cleanse my face. Now, one thing new that I added to my skincare routine is adding a toner after I cleanse. I've had a toner before that I've added a while back, but I kind of didn't like the stinging effect that it would give me, and so then I kind of stopped using that toner. But then I was introduced to this one from TEAMI. It's the Miss Butterfly Tea Toner. It's made from their butterfly tea, and I am absolutely in love with this toner. Not only does it smell really good, it does not sting my face like other toners have, or like when I used to use the all natural toner, like the apple cider vinegar, like people say that's great. I find that even though people say the smoke goes away, I still smelled it on my face, and it stung me as well. So I tried this and I love it. And what I want to tell you a little bit about it, like I said, I can't remember all the stuff, so I just want to tell you a little bit about it. This is their all natural toning mist infused with aloe vera, witch hazel, and it's made by, like I said, their own butterfly tea. And it's holistic, it feels soft, refreshing, and I'm just trying to just, you know, say it real quick like skin, because I don't want to bore you guys. And it's used as a second step in your skincare routine, which is what I use it for. But what I also really loved about this one is that you can use it for more than one use. Like you can use it right after your cleansing. Well, that's what you're supposed to. You're supposed to use it right after you cleanse your face, because basically what a toner is basically used for is it's used to tighten up your pores. And me, I have pores here and here that like I always look oily throughout the day because my pores are open. So I want my pores to be closed. And so that's what a toner does, is basically tightens your pores so that you don't release all those oils throughout the day. So that's why they suggest that you use your toner after your cleanser. But this butterfly mist spray is also good to use before makeup. It's also, you can use it as a setting spray for makeup, so an all natural setting spray. And then you can use it, like leave it on your desk and use it throughout the day just to give you a nice little refresh on your face and just to freshen up your makeup as well. So this is not only a toner, you can use it for more than one use. So I love it. I've been trying it and I just absolutely love it. I'm so glad TEAMI sent me it so I could try it. It's amazing. I do love it. And then after my toner, I always go with a vitamin C serum. It looks like this. And I love it. I mean, I've used it before and I was glad that they sent it to me as kind of like a pack, because sometimes when you order things from TEAMI, they have like different types of packs that you can, like bundles that you can buy. And they'll send you things that pair well together. So these two pair so well together, and I love this one. So I've already told you about this one, so I don't want to go into detail. If you want to see that, I'll put the video down below about this one. But I really love this one. The only thing I will say, it is costly. It is like $44. But I found that most vitamin serums that are really good for you go over $40 or over $50. I remember that I used to love the Murad brand one, and that one alone, and it was a smaller bottle, was, I think it cost me like $55, and that wasn't even all natural products. So the fact that this one you get a little bit more and it's $44, plus you can use my coupon code as well. I rather get this better than my Murad one that I used to use, because like I said, it's all natural, you get more for it, and it costs less. So even though $44 I know seems like a lot, and especially you guys know I'm a budget saver, when I find that most vitamin C serums are just that expensive because of what it can do. And even some of the L'Oreal vitamin C serums, they go all the way into like $25 as well, and the bottle is actually smaller than this. So most vitamin C serums are expensive, and I feel like if you find something that's good for your skin and you like it, then it's worth the price. So for me, I like it, and when you pair it with this, it's just amazing. So the last things I'm gonna talk about is my creams. Now, I use my L'Oreal creams. That's what I've been using. Those are the creams that I always go back to, no matter what expensive creams I use. The Murad ones, everything else that I've, you know, like the Meaningful Beauty, I always go back to these because these are affordable to me, even though they have gone up in price over the years. I find the best results with these. I like the way that it leaves my skin. Now I don't have the eye cream here, but normally I would get their eye cream in the same thing, the Revitalift brand. Like I said, with L'Oreal there's a lot of different things, but I always get the Revitalift, whatever is in the Revitalift line. So this one is so like I said, I have the eye cream, but I mean it's gone. I have to go get some more, but I get the Revitalift. Now the day and night cream, I always get these two because they come in a pack. And so this is what they look like. This is the night cream, and then this is what the day cream looks like. Now some of them do look kind of different at times too, but this is what this looks like. So I usually get the pack that comes both of these at Walmart for $19.99, and I find that that's the best deal because sometimes by themselves, these at CVS or Target, they can go by themselves for like by themselves I think like $16.99 or $18.99 by themselves or something like that. And so when you get the value pack, you can get both of them for $19.99. Or it's probably $13, I don't remember, but I know that it's more by itself to get them, and the value pack is just better. And I always get these two. I love them. I swear by them. They're what works for my face. It doesn't break my face out. It doesn't leave me so oily throughout the day like a lot of creams do. I just love the way that it looks on my face, and that's what I've been using. And like I said, even when I use higher priced products, I always go back to those. One thing that I forgot to share with you guys that I love using in my skincare routine is this facial roller that my mom got me from Walmart, and it's a vibrating one. And what I like about it is it comes in like two different pieces. So you get one that's like the roller for all around your face, but then you get this other piece that comes with just under your eyes, the sensitive skin under your eyes. And I love using this after I've put on my serums and my creams to basically just rub everything in, and it kind of basically like tightens your skin as well. I especially love it when I use it under my neck. It really tightens up that skin. We get that excess skin that it's kind of like those turkey gobbles, and so I love using it under my neck especially, but this is great all over my face, and I use it every time after I put my serums and my creams. So those are the beauty products that I use on my face that I am loving right now. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope I gave you guys enough information, but if there's something that I didn't answer and you want more clarity on it, just leave me a comment down below. Again, if you want anything from TEAMI, I will have my coupon code down below. It's RIA25, and you get 25% off of anything that you order. Thank you, TEAMI, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me all these products to try. I love the products that you guys send me. I'm just happy to be a partner with you guys. And also, I didn't share it in this video because it's not skincare routine, but if you haven't tried it already, try the TEAMI greens, guys. I love it. I'm not a greens person. I don't like eating a lot of greens, but it's so simple and easy to use. You just put it in your juice or whatever you're drinking, and it gives you your greens for the day. I love it. Again, you can use my coupon code for that as well. So let me know in the comments down below, again, if you have any questions or what is your favorite beauty products that you guys love to use, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.